when Africa and India were colonized, a lot of the Britishers did not understand open ecosystems, right? Like they came here and they were like, why are there no trees? You know, maybe the human beings have been sort of cutting down the trees, and so these systems are degraded. So they didn't understand fire. I'm sure you guys have noticed fire in these landscapes. Have you? Yeah. And we have a history of our colonizers not understanding these systems, and so they would come plant trees, try and suppress fire. But a lot of the science has shown that fire predates human beings. What happens is we plant a lot of alien trees, basically trees that don't belong here. And then those trees are the ones that eucalyptus and all of that. So they drain a lot of water from the land as well, so it affects water resources. But it also some of them are invasive, which means that they can spread widely. So they take over. So another thing that's happening with climate change and the elevated CO2 in the levels and stuff, the trees are encroaching the open spaces, which affects animals, it affects people, it affects carbon storage. So a lot of the grasses, they need the fire to resprout, the seedlings and everything. So they've evolved with the fire. But also as soon as the fire burns all the dry grasses, right? I don't know if you've noticed on the ground there's fresh green shoots of leaves. I've seen it even while riding in cradle and stuff. So that's what the animals need to come and eat. So as soon as there's a fire, there's a lot of animals that come around to sort of graze the land and stuff. And also it keeps some of the tree seedlings that might be encroaching on the grasses, so they die off. So the grasses are resistant to fire. In fact, they need fire, and some of those tree saplings are off.
That's the whole point.
Yo, bro, it's been amazing. A nice hike, so interesting, landscapes, rocks, and But the best highlight was the rock pools. Became a baby, childlike spirits. So, yeah, I enjoyed myself.
Sabona abanye abantwana la. Nilele ni.